Hello. In this video, we will show you how to calculate the perimeter and area of a parallelogram. First, we will explain the formulas you need, then we will look at where you can find parallelogram shapes in the real world, and finally, we will go through a practical example of the calculation. A parallelogram is a four-sided polygon, quadrilateral, where opposite sides are both parallel and equal in length. Additionally, opposite angles are equal, and adjacent angles are supplementary. They sum up to 180 degrees. In a parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other, meaning they divide each other into two equal parts. But where can we find parallelograms in real life? In architecture, parallelograms appear in the design of certain window frames, tiles, and floor patterns. In engineering, parallelogram mechanisms are used in scissor lifts and robotic arms to maintain stability and motion. In nature, the wings of some insects and the shapes of crystals can form parallelograms. How to calculate the perimeter and area of a parallelogram? To calculate the perimeter and area of a parallelogram, you will need the following information: base, the length of one of the parallel sides of the parallelogram; height, the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides; side length, the length of the other pair of sides, if needed for the perimeter. The formula for calculating the perimeter of a parallelogram is and the area. And now, let's calculate the perimeter and area of a parallelogram with a practical example. We have a base of 6 cm, a height of 3 cm, and a side length of 4 cm. The formula for calculating the perimeter of a parallelogram is: we substitute the values into the formula. And now the area. The formula for calculating the area is For an accurate calculation of the perimeter and area, visit Formiax.com or click the link in the video description. I hope you have learned how to calculate the circumference and area of a rectangular shape. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.